Okay. Can you tell me, are the voice and screen clear? All okay? Hmm? Yes? All clear. Okay. Fine. Let everyone join. Let everyone join. Make one note. Just like gravitational force, make one note. Just like gravitational force, force short form, or let's write complete. Gravitational force, electrostatic force or electric force, because of the charges, force between two charges, force between two masses, gravitational force, force between two charges, electric force, is also conservative. It will not ask you for data of path. Okay, fine. Means sometimes the force asks data of path, or rather the work done asks data of the path, and sometimes the work done will not ask you the data of path. Fine. So now let us solve some questions based on this type. Okay. So question number 44. Question number 44. Okay. It is a particular type. When force is constant at each and every location, force is same in magnitude, same in direction. Okay. When force is constant. Okay. This question is there. Okay. Calculate the work done. Work done is equal to question mark. For the displacement, calculate work done for the displacement of the particle. Okay, they are not saying charge, they are saying particle. Okay, no problem. From 1, 2 to 4, 5. Work done from 1, 2 to 4, 5 by which force? The force is a constant value force. Okay, 4i plus 3z. 4i plus 3z. See, this is a constant number. This is a constant number. It is not changing with time. It is not changing with x and y position also. It is not changing. So it's a constant force. Fine, sir. If it is a constant force, how to find out work done? Very simple case. You are given initial and the final position. Okay. You are given initial and the final position. Let's see how to find out force. How to find out work done when the force is given to you. 4i plus 3j. It's a constant force. Same magnitude. It will have some magnitude. What will be the magnitude of this force? Sir, under root coefficient of I square plus coefficient of j square plus coefficient of k square. Under root 4 square plus 3 square will be 25, and square root of 25 will be 5. That all those things we know. Fine. But the general method is this. Do it. Find out small force for the small path. Okay, sir. F bar dot dr bar. Dr bar is a small displacement. Okay, F bar is given to you. What is that? So it is 4i plus 3j. Okay. Dot product. A small displacement. Dr bar is a general displacement in 3 dimensions. So x dimensional displacement, y dimension displacement plus z dimension displacement will give you 3-dimensional displacement. Okay, sir. Dr bar is to be written like dx bar, dy bar, dz bar. Okay, but sir, ij ke coefficients are given, so write here ij ke. Okay, 4i plus 3j dot dx bar is dx into I cap, dy bar is dy into j cap, dz bar is dz into k cap. Okay, so it's a dot product. Dot product means coefficient of, multiplication of coefficient of I, 4dx plus multiplication of coefficient of j, 3dy plus multiplication of coefficient of k. So here we do not have k coefficient. 0. 0 into dz. That's it. Work done is a scalar value. Now see, I, j, k are removed. I, j, k are removed. Next, what to do? Sir, integration. Yes. Sir, integration of this bracket. Okay. Now you can observe that integration of each term can be found separately. Yes, so this total work done W is integration of 4 dx, x initial value, x final value, plus integration of this term separately, y initial value, y final value, plus, sir, this is 0 and integration of 0 is not required, so just write 0. 0 dz, integration of 0 dz or integration of 0 is 0. Forget about it. Sir, 4 is constant out of integration. Sir, integration of dx is x, initial x, final x, or lower limit, upper limit, plus 3 constant. Integration dy is y. Sir, y initial, y final. Okay. Sir, 4 into bracket, x final or x final minus x initial. Upper limit minus lower limit. X final is 4. X initial is 1. X final is 4. X initial is 1. Observe carefully. Plus 3. Y final minus y initial. Sir, y final is 5. Y initial is 2. Y final is 5. Y initial is 2. Okay, sir. Sir, 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 into 4 is 12. Sir, plus y minus 2 is 3. 3 into 3 is 9. Sir, 12 plus 9 is 21. Let us assume everything in SI unit and write unit as joule or simply units. Reply me in the chat box. Method clear and written. First type. Force constant. When not constant, what to do? Same method will give you the answer. This always works. This will always work. This is general formula, so it will always work. Write it down, understand it, get it, and then let me know in the chat box, clear and written. Everyone. बोला बोला. Good. Write it down. Very good. Such question you will not going to skip. Okay, you gonna grab it. Next. How much time we have? बाळांनो आणखीन एक क्वेश्चन सोडवूया. आणखीन एक क्वेश्चन सोडवूया. Just one more question. Okay, just one more. 4-5 minutes. Okay, 4-5 minutes. When force is, write down question number 45. 45. When force is function of xyz. Okay, when force is function of xyz, write down. Find the work done by the force. Find the work done by the force. Find the work done by the force from initial position not given, position vector is given. Okay, no problem. 2i plus 3j. To final position is not given, position vector is given, no problem. 4i plus 6j. 4i plus 6j. Okay, and the force is given like this. Some function of x into I cap, some function of y into j cap, some function of z into k cap. Okay, and that is given like this. Let me read it. What is that? 3x square I cap. Yes, 3x square I cap plus 2y into j cap. Okay, 2y into j cap. That's a force measured in Newton. These are the positions measured in meter. All right, let's do it. You know what always works is this. Sir, integration dw is f bar dot dr bar. Dr bar is very small displacement in 3 dimensions. Sir, f bar 3x square into I cap. 3x square into I cap plus 2y into j cap. Yes. Sir, dot product. Sir, r bar is dx into I plus dy into z plus dz into k. Next, sir, dot product multiplication of coefficient of I 3x square into dx plus multiplication of coefficient of y 2y dy plus multiplication of coefficient of k. Sir, k term is not here. Okay, 0 dot dz. Yes, multiplication of coefficient of k coefficient not here, so 0 here dz. Sir, this is dw. Sir, integration. Yes, sir, now we know integration of each term can be found separately, so let's do it. X initial, x final plus 2y dy, y initial, y final plus sir, do we need to integrate 0? No. 0 dz, 0. 0 integration, 0. Fine. Sir, 3 constant out of integration. X square dx integration is what? X raised to n dx is? X raised to n dx integration is what? X raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Increase the power by 1, divide by the same. Increase the power by 1. It is already 2. Increase it by 1, 3. So it will be x cube upon 3. X raised to n integration is what? X raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Okay. Lower limit x1. We'll write that afterwards. 2 as it is. Y dy. Y dy means y raised to 1. Y raised to 1 integration is what? X dx integration is what? X square upon 2. Power is 1. Increase by 1. 2. 2 upon 2. So y raised to 1 integration will be what? Y raised to 2 upon 2. Z, we are not bothered about right now. X initial, x final. Upper limit, lower limit. X initial is 2, x final is 4. So 2 and 4. Y initial, y final, 3 and 6. Okay, sir. 3 and 6. Sir, this 3 cancel, that you can do. This 2 cancel, that you can do. Sir, 4 cube minus 2 cube. Yes. Sir, plus. Sir, 6 square minus 3 square. Okay. Sir, 4 cube. Sir, 2 cube. Sir, 6 square. Sir, 3 square. Sir, 48. Sir, 25. Sir, 63. बोला बाळांनो. This will always work for constant as well as for variable. Reply me in the chat box. Up to this, are the things taught in today's lecture clear to all of you? Write it down, understand it, get it, and then let me know in the chat box, guys. Clear and written. Everyone passed? Just a second. Done? Reply me in the chat box. Done? Clear? Clear and written? Okay. So chalo guys, 83, my mistake. I did mistake. Oh, what was the mistake? 83. What is this? 64 minus 8. Oh, it was 58. My mistake. My mistake. 83. All right. 83. Okay. Chalo. So in this lecture, guys, 56. So you are today doing so many mistakes. Okay. So that will be 81 now. Let me check the. And here what? 25 or here also what? 27. Okay. Fine. So these are the silly mistakes. Okay. These are the silly mistakes. You are correcting me. Fine. Thank you. Sir, this 6 plus 7, that will be 13 plus 1. Now that will be okay. Fine. All okay now? Okay. So guys, in this lecture, we will stop at this point. Remaining things we are going to study in the next lecture. Chalo, bye bye everyone. Have a very nice day. Okay. Chalo, bye. Good day. Yes. Chalo. Yes.